Is it a trend to paint walls and trim the same color? Dear friends, have you noticed more homes where the walls and trim are painted the same color? This design trend has become increasingly popular in modern interior design, and for good reason. Traditionally, trims, moldings, and baseboards were painted white to create contrast against colored walls. While this classic style still looks beautiful, many homeowners and designers are now choosing a more seamless and sophisticated approach. Painting the walls and trim the same color creates a clean, unified look. It helps a room feel larger because there are fewer visual breaks. This technique is especially effective in smaller rooms, where continuous color can make the space appear more open and spacious. Another advantage is that it highlights architectural details in a subtle way. Instead of drawing attention to the trim itself, the entire room feels cohesive and elegant. Deep colors such as navy blue, charcoal gray, forest green, and warm beige work particularly well with this trend. This style is also popular in luxury homes and contemporary interiors because it creates a calm and refined atmosphere. Matte or eggshell finishes on walls combined with satin trim can add depth while maintaining the same color scheme. However, if you love strong contrast or have decorative moldings you want to showcase, using different colors for walls and trim may still be the better choice. Ultimately, painting walls and trim the same color is a stylish trend that offers a modern, sophisticated, and timeless look for many homes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.